Today is Mama's birthday! Yes, today is 18 June, it's Mummy's birthday and यार कभी मम्मी छुट्टी नहीं लेती. In fact, today also she's gone for half day work. So I've told her that she has to come along with me for a meeting. So on that context, I'm whisking her off from the office strictly for 2 hours. मेरे को timeline दी गई है कि कुछ भी हो जाए मेरे को 2 घंटे में वापस ऑफिस आना है. So I'm taking her जो Santa Cruz में है, which apparently is a Michigan star fine dine place. It's pure vegetarian. Since my mother is pure vegetarian, and मैंने बहुत सुना है ये जगह के बारे में. It's a beautiful blend of traditional food and modern techniques. You know वो सब होते हैं ना, हिंदी में कहते हैं चोचले. You know those that I don't know, like all those nice plating, beautiful looking things with exquisite taste and everything. And मम्मी यार शी कभी नहीं करती अपने लिए कुछ. Genuinely like कुछ खरीदती नहीं है. She doesn't like anything. Every time you ask her कि क्या खरीदें, कुछ कपड़ा, जूता, पर्स, बैग, नथिंग, वो बोलती है नहीं मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए, मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए, मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए. और अगर हम खरीद के दे भी दे, अगर मैं और दीदी खरीद के दे भी देना मम्मी को, वो स्टिल नहीं यूज करेंगे, कबर्ड में पड़ा रहेगा. सो वी फील सो बैड. तो मैं सोचा चलो आज लंच के लिए ले जाते हैं. होपफुली शी विल एंजॉय द फूड. And yeah, and then I'll drop her back to what she loves the most, her work. Nani! Happy birthday, Nona! How are you?
Happy birthday, Auntie.
Thank you, Vijay. Thank you so much. God bless you.
What, thank you so much. Why you have gone for work today also, but I'm not surprised. At least, you know, at least this year, 2 hours at least she's allowed me to take her. Otherwise, so that also no.
No. I am so scared now. They'll start calling, and I've told her there was a call from the bank. ये दिखाना है.
बचपन में, like if you remember any of your बचपन का birthdays, which one do you remember कि मतलब कौन सा वाला याद है, memorable या fun या like कौन सा वाला सबसे ज़्यादा याद है?
I think I was in 5th or 6th standard maybe.
कहाँ पे, मतलब कौन से जगह में, शहर में मतलब?
It was in Gangapur city, Rajasthan.
राजस्थान में भी थे आप? मेरे को ही
My father was posted there, so we had a railway quarter. And there I still remember mummy had stitched like small polka dot frock for me.
White और black color की?
It was white with green, pink, all those polka dots,
छोटे
but not very big polka dots. And I remember I was looking so pretty in that, and I was running and on the roads. And 5th maybe, yeah, 5th or 6th, not more than. That's all. We didn't have those cake sort of thing. Mummy made some, I don't know, maybe mango juice or something. That's all. I don't remember all that much. But dress, I remember. I was praising myself. I'm so beautiful. I'm looking so cute in this. And running here and there and turning around and look at the flare of my frock and all. Yeah, it was nice. Yeah, but that's all that I remember. Otherwise,
tell me something you saw, but seriously, that your Sony thing is like on fire.
no, but
dude.
I saw with this girl. She also did. I don't know. It's not so much what you.
Huh? It is not so much, huh?
No.
Mummy, it has reached 2.3 million. When I woke up in the morning, it was 1.7 million. When I met this boy, it was 2 million, which is 1 hour ago. Now it is 2.3 million. You're saying it is not much? Sony TV के पेज पे भी इतने सारे views नहीं आए.
I'm sure this one must have come. Who? Where Poonam Dhillon?
अरे मम्मी, just keep quiet. It's 2.3 is massive. Star you are. Is it what? Star
you are.
Bubbly.
हैप्पी बर्थडे दीदी, तुम जियो हजारों साल, साल के दिन हो 50,000. जान. Happy birthday to you. I love you.
I love you too, Bhavi.
Mama.
My mama.
Happy birthday, मेरी प्यारी बुआ.
रिप्लाई नहीं करना ऑडियो.
Have a wonderful year ahead. Lots of love. Free.
Happy birthday, Bua. Be healthy. Be wealthy. Be happy. God bless.
Wish you a very, very, very happy birthday, Mummy.
Hi, Mummy. Wish you a very, very, very happy birthday. Hi, Bubbly. It's your birthday. Hi, Jigar. It's your birthday. Thank you so much, Mummy, for doing so many things for us. Thank you. Love you. Bye.
Hi, happy birthday to God. I hope that you continue working and you stay as fit and strong as you are already and keep showering the love to the entire family. Happy birthday.
हेलो बबली, हैप्पी बर्थडे बेटा. ईश्वर तेरी सब मनोकामना पूरी करे. जीते रहो, तंदुरुस्त रहो.
My mama, my Noni. Happy birthday to the bestest mommy in the whole world. I love you, mommy. My Noni.
This was I was expecting. वो पतली सी हो. मैं कितनी बार श्वेता को समझी गोरी.
क्या फिर से पूछ, फिर से सुने. तो किसने विश किया?
Happy birthday, दीदी.
ये किसका विश था?
नीलू.
लीलू.
माय सिस्टर इन लॉ. हाँ, और
उसके बाद गेस.
उसके बाद में श्वेता,
हाँ.
स्टैनली,
वेरी गुड.
देन चूचू,
वेरी
देन
गुड.
एगी,
यस.
देन गोला.
यस.
To say every year it comes.
So what? Once a year it comes.
But I believe every day is my birthday.
अच्छा, what you do great every day? Go and go to work.
Oh, so that's the best thing.
वाह नीरा, वाह भाई. इतनी जितनी मेरी माँ में शिद्दत है काम करने की, उतनी ही शिद्दत मेरे में है काम नहीं करने की. मेरे को बस चिल करने में मजा आता है. चलो हम लेट है ऑलरेडी.
My God, this was not a surprise.
Why it was not a surprise?
But it's the why, and I'm asking you also. I got to know.
You ate and came?
Yeah.
I thought I'll give you a surprise. You filming? आप खाना खा के आए?
Yeah.
क्यों
It
खाना?
was hot and nice.
But 1-1:30 बजे कौन इतनी जल्दी 12 बजे कौन खाना
Because I knew कि we'll go for meeting, so that girl said. And what
खा लिया?
ruafza
कोई बात नहीं, फिर से खाओ. फिर से खाओ. अब मैं क्या करूँ? फिर से खाओ. ये तो इधर मम्मा इधर अलग काइंड ऑफ फूड है. It's like South Indian. You to love South Indian. Wow, South Indian. Oh my God, South Indian. And it is modern. Like so beautiful. It is. No, it is surprise. No, I don't know. It is surprise. तो क्यों खाया फिर? बर्थडे तो 2 बार खाओ.
but like it's like
It's okay, Neera.
इकड़ो ही मंगा फिर.
It's not. She's saying order 1 plate. She's saying order 1 plate.
Yeah, obviously. I mean,
And we've ordered 3 plates.
It's rolling.
what a waste of money.
It's not a waste of money. It is just popat. It's called popat. I've become popat. See, यहाँ पे ये है ना, ये क्या है? मोर. तो यहाँ मोर नहीं, यहाँ पे पोपट होना चाहिए मेरे लिए. मेरा पोपट कराया ना. आप हमेशा मम्मी मेरा पोपट कराते हो.
अरे but what was your duty? Tell me.
What was my duty? सरप्राइज था. सरप्राइज क्या बोलूँ मैं? ड्यूटी मेरी. क्यों आप लिसन, जब आप 3:30-4 बजे खाते हो तो आप 12:30 बजे क्यों खा रहे हो?
Today was Thursday.
अरे बट
Not
क्या
so much of this.
बट इट वाज योर
Plus
बर्थडे.
No, but that means all the more hotter food I request.
कोई बात नहीं, दो बार खाओ. But this is very funny. You're saying एक प्लेट मंगा.
हाँ तो एक ही डिश में अपना हो जाए.
एक प्लेट मंगा.
वेज पुलाव बहुत गरम था एंड टेम्पटिंग था, हॉट और काम थोड़ा कम था तो मैंने कहा पहले क्योंकि मीटिंग है तो लेट हो जाएगा. उसके बाद उसके साथ में मैंने खाया चना मसाला और उसके साथ में मैंने खाया रोज़ मिल्क 1 बिग ग्लास और आफ्टर
Rose
दैट
milk?
भैया रोज़ मिल्क.
उसी बाय द वे मम्मी बिल्ली है. मम्मी को दही दूध बड़ा पसंद है. हम सब इसको बिल्ली बुलाते
And
हैं.
after that, which candy?
Candy.
Ice cream.
You had ice cream also?
Yeah, I promise you. चूचू तेरा गिरना इसलिए. तो she said take.
मम्मा आइसक्रीम भी खा गया.
Yeah, I promise you. Sorry.
It looks so pretty, मम्मा यार.
This time, Avtara goes beyond the limits. This is a tribute to the origins of farming, where ancient wisdom meet modern culinary skills. So whatever flowers or leaf you see on the food, on the top of the food that all are edible, you can enjoy those.
This is edible?
No, on the top.
Okay, on top.
All this
Okay.
has some kind of lasa. That's
Right. Okay. Okay. मम्मा. अरे full mama, he's saying full. You have to have in one go. Yay! Happy birthday. Lunch number 2. Mama, cheers! Mama, cheers! Cheers!
And white.
This is the best. No? And sip, mama, sip. Sweet Karela, but it's so pretty.
I don't feel like breaking it.
I don't feel like breaking. It's so pretty. I don't feel like breaking it. है ना मम्मा? ये कितना सुंदर है, ऐसा लग रहा है क्यों तोड़ रहा है? कितना सुंदर है.
करेला का टेस्ट तो नहीं आया.
कड़वा का टेस्ट बहुत कम है. कड़वा नहीं है, पर टेस्टी है. कड़वा नहीं है. Are you the chef?
Yes.
Oh my God! I'm sorry, man, but I have to compliment you.
Thank you. It's all a team effort. Everyone's doing a great job around here.
But I have to tell you all, like you make at least me feel like a murderer because the food is so gorgeously plated.
I know.
And then the bustling flavors in the mouth is another dance altogether.
Like the pani puri?
Right now,
Yes.
oh my God, that was like. It was so unexpected, and they were like flavors after flavors after flavors, and you're like, what is happening? Like,
Correct. It's there since the first day we opened the restaurant back in Dubai also, so it's running.
how long has it been now?
This place 2.5 years.
Wow.
God's grace, we are running very well.
Yeah. I mean,
It's difficult to run a vegetarian restaurant, but then we are doing good.
no, but the flavors, it's so unexpected and amazing, and it's like work of art. It's beautiful.
Such a pleasure. Glad you guys are enjoying.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, madam.
Thank you, Bika.
Happy birthday. God bless you too, ma'am.
Thank you
Please
so
enjoy,
much.
please enjoy.
Thank you. I'm a murderer because it's so pretty, it's so cute, and I feel almost illegal, and I feel that I'm such an evil कि मैं इतनी ब्यूटीफुल प्रिटी डिश को लेके ऐसे खा रही हूँ, मुझे बहुत विलन लग रहा है.
cake from Team Avtara.
Happy birthday! Birthday! No, you eat first. I know you're very full.
I am, but very little you got.
little only.
The saag thing.
Oh yeah, the gaver, yeah.
Yes. That's the savory one. This is the traditional sweet gaver. That's mango salsa, saffron mousse, and coconut coated rasmalai.
Oh,
The
wow.
present moment it is frozen. So you guys can travel. Do refrigerate. It has a shelf life of 5 to 6 hours. So maybe if you can have with the dinner then.
Yeah. One word में experience like बताओ.
Amazing.
और मैं बताऊँ? पोपट।
वो तेरा हुआ, तूने बताया नहीं कि खाने के लिए वी आर गोइंग टू रेस्टोरेंट।
नहीं सिर्फ उसी वे में पोपट नहीं, जो आपने सर्वर के भी सामने पोपट किया है कि बोल बोल के पार्सल ले जाओगे 1/2 करा दो, वो सब भी पोपट ही था।
वो एकदम नेचुरल है कि कई बार होता है थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा फूड बच जाता है तो क्यों वेस्ट करो ना।
भी मिशिगन स्टार रेस्टोरेंट में
हाँ तो चलता है, अभी मिशिगन लोग भी खाना तो खाते हैं ना, थोड़ा बच गया तो हम अपने घर ले जाएंगे, शाम को खा सकते हैं। कल
दिया उसने केक दिया, वो लोग नहीं देते हैं स्टिल, स्पेशली बर्थडे केक दे गिव यू एंड दे सेड स्पेशली फॉर यू। नोबडी, मम्मी लंच जितने लोग कर रहे थे ना, किसी के भी हाथ में ये बैग नहीं था, ओनली दे गिव फॉर यू। हैप्पी बर्थडे, ये लेके जाओ।
थैंक यू, आई एम वेरी लेट।
अरे गो आराम से। हाँ भाई, टेक हर हर यू हैव टू टेक, शी इज रनिंग। व्हाई मी, यू विल टेक हर ना। बर्थडे 2 घंटा छुट्टी, जस्ट टू रन टू वर्क। खाना से ज़्यादा, स्लीपिंग से ज़्यादा, बच्चों से ज़्यादा, सबसे ज़्यादा काम प्यारा है। तो चलिए काम पे भाग के